Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update. And very quickly, if you're not in the Discord, join us in the Discord. The link is in the description of this video. Right, well, so today there's some few things that I want to discuss about, and right now I'm into the 4-hour time frame right here, and you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, this pull that you're looking at, this candlestick you see, does not have any volume down there. Okay, loss of volume, so no buyer stepping in. So what you see on the 4-hour time frame at this very point could just be another bear flag in the making, and once you see that bear flag from the top to the bottom right there, that's going to take you nearly $35,000. Okay, so that's the first thing. Now, the second thing that I want to talk about is the bearish cross as well. So here we are. Yesterday what happened is, I'm just going to turn off the volume. Yesterday what happened is that you actually went a little bit up and up and up and up and up, and you set above the EMAs. Do you see? The EMAs were crossing basically, but when it came in to backtest the EMAs, it failed terribly, and then it started to go down. And I was calling this one for a long time because there was no any volume, and there was no any buyer stepping in to actually buy any Bitcoin. So now you are actually making a bearish cross here. Do you see that? You're about to make a bearish cross, and that's when the 10, the 20, and then the 55 cross like this, and then you're going to see that bearish cross, and you're going to see Bitcoin boom pull towards the downside as well. Now, continuing on with this one, do you remember there are some still few things that I want to point out. And I don't know why people are so excited that, oh, Bitcoin is moving up, even though I've been telling this, that no, this kind of push to the upside is not what you want. Okay, and all I see on the 4-hour time frame is a nice glorified double top. First top, second top. This is where you're going to have your neckline right there, and the technical target of out of this neckline is going to be from the top to the bottom, just like that. Wherever you're going to break out, you're going to go down to $33,000. Now the question is, if you go down to $33,000, are you going to make a double bottom like this? Because that's where your technical target is. But I'm going to answer this one to you that I don't think so. I don't think that we're going to make any double bottom right now. I'm just going to get into that one in a minute. The only thing that I want to show you right now is the fact that you're actually below $37,000. Now look at this one. Do you remember this point of contact right here, this level of support? Okay, so when you were moving from July $29,000, you went up to $42,000, came down to $36,000, and then from there you picked up to $52,000. Now basically this was your level of support right there, but if I actually draw a line, you are not crossing that level of support. Look, you are being resisted. Look at that, two fake outs already. You had two damn fake outs. Just look at that. First fake out, went for the retest, came down. Another fake out, went for the retest, came down. And now all you're doing is you are being restricted at that yellow line that I've just drawn. Do you see that? It's coming near the yellow line once again, and it's not getting the path to continue. So my take is that we continue to the downfall for this week as well. And the reason why I think that Bitcoin is not going to make a double bottom near the $33,000 region is, I'm going to tell you, very, very simple. Go to the daily, and this is you on the daily. Now today we've made an evening star. Do you see that? When you see a red candle, a doji in the middle, and then a red candle like that, these are evening star. Let's go do a nice quick Google right there. So evening star candlestick right here. If you're new to the channel, here we are. And according to the images, this is how they look like. Okay, green candle, doji in the middle, red bearish candle, and then you continue a little bit sideways, and then you continue to dump to the downside, and the downtrend continues to go on. So that's exactly what you formed right here. Now that's the first thing. Okay, that's actually negative, and it means tomorrow we're gonna have continuation to the downside. All right, so bearish candles are now printing up, and it's time to suck it up, Bitcoin. And in my opinion, the reason why I told you we are not gonna go actually to nearly 33,000 for the double bottom is simple. There's a bear flag. Look at that. All I see is a nice glorified bear flag, nothing else. This is what the bear flag looked like, and I've told you before that there was no volume as prices were pushing to the upside. Just look at this. Price were going up, volume was moving down. Very simple. Okay, and I'm just gonna hide the volume once again. So the technical target out of this bear flag is from the top to the bottom, just like that. And then this is where you're breaking out, which you've broken out, clear breakout. Okay, before you always just ended up in a wick. This time the body is closing below this wick right there. Of course, there's 15 more hours to close it. So if you close below it, yes, you're confirming the break of this bear flag, and the technical target is down to $29,000. The question though still remains that if you go to $29,000, are you gonna completely bottom out and make a double bottom? That's the question. First bottom and then the second bottom. That's the only thing I'm interested to see if Bitcoin does, because you just might go down there and you completely bottom out. But I see so many projects with 50% dumps, and probably we still might go all the way down to $24,000. But that idea is not entertained. The only idea that I'm entertaining right now is $29,000. If we lose the 29K, you know, go to like $27,000 backtest and fail, then yes, we're gonna continue to dump to the 24K, and that's where the monthly EMA actually sits. And that's it for today's update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.